is Dance with My Father again by Luther Vandross. R.I.P. It's been a long time, but I really love this song. Hope you guys like it too. Back when I was a child, before life removed all the innocence, my father left me high and danced with my mother and me, and then spin me around till I fell asleep. And up the stairs he would carry me, and I knew for sure I was loved. If I could get another chance, another walk, another dance with him, I'd play a song that would never ever end. How I love, love, love to dance with my father again. Oh, yeah. When I and my mother would disagree, to get my way, I would run from her to him. He make me laugh, try to comfort me, yeah, yeah. Then finally make me do just what my mother said. Later that night when I was asleep, he left $1 under my sheet. Never dreamed that he would be gone from me. If I could steal one final glance, one final step, one final dance with him, I'd play a song that would never ever end. 'Cause I love, love, love dance with my father again. Sometimes I listen outside her door, and I hear how my mother cry for him. I pray for her even more than me. I pray for her even more than me. Oh, I know I've prayed for much too much, but could you send back the only man she loved? I know you don't do usually, but dear Lord, she's dying to dance with my father again. Oh, every night I fall asleep